Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of multiple key initiatives for the cooperative sector in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated to the nation the phase 1 of NTPC's 1600 megawatt Lara Super Thermal Power Station on Saturday through video conferencing. Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas Hardip Singh Puri has said that the entire country will have petrol pumps selling 20% ethanol blended petrol E20 petrol by 2025. The centre has extended an invitation to the leaders of Ladakh to discuss their demands presented to the Union Home Ministry earlier. The second editions of the Women's Premier League began on Friday. In the inaugural match, reigning champions Mumbai Indians defeated Delhi Capitals by 4 wickets at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru.